Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from Nastasia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the Catherine wheel stitch pattern. Plus, I'll show how to minimize the big gap that usually occurs in it. To begin, chain 37 or any multiple of 10 plus 7. Skip the first chain and single crochet in the next chain and single crochet in the next chain. Skip 3 chains and make 7 double crochet stitches all in the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the next 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then skip 3 chains again. This time, make 7 double crochet stitches, all in the next chain. 1, 2, and 7. Skip the next 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll skip 3 chains and make 4 double crochet stitches, all in that last chain. 2, 3, and 4. I'm switching to the pink yarn before I finish the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. For row 2, begin with a single crochet stitch and then another single crochet stitch. Next, chain 3. Over the next 7 stitches, we're going to do a double crochet 7 together decrease stitch. Basically, you begin a double crochet, but don't finish it. Yarn over, insert hook, and draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Move to the next stitch. 5, 6, and 7. Now that you have all 7 double crochet stitches on your hook, plus the original starting loop, yarn over and draw through all loops on your hook. In the standard Catherine wheel pattern, you are supposed to chain 3 next. But this creates a larger space or hole or gap, which I'm not very fond of. So I will show you how to close that space a bit. Chain 1. Now, slip stitch into the side of the last double crochet. Then, slip stitch into the base of that double crochet. This positions our hook in the correct spot without creating a large hole. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 3. Over the next 7 stitches, make a double crochet 7 together stitch. And 7. Now, yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Next, chain 1. And do the slip stitch into the side of the stitch, and then slip stitch into the base of the stitch. Next, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Then, chain 3. Continue doing this pattern across the row. At the end, make your last chain 3. Then, over the last 4 stitches on that row, make a double crochet 4 together stitch. 3 and 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Then chain 3. For row 3, we're using the same color yarn. In the first stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then over the previous row's 3 single crochet stitches, make 1 single crochet in each of those 3 stitches. Next, in the center of that previous cluster, make 7 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can see the wheel or circle starting to form. Make 1 single crochet over each of the previous row's 3 single crochet stitches. And here you'll do 7 double crochet in the center, then the 3 single crochet stitches, then the 7 double crochet in the middle again. At the end, you'll place 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches remaining on that row. I'm switching to the next color now. Chain 3. Row 4 begins with a double crochet 3 together stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the side, then slip stitch into the base. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Then chain 3. Over the next 7 stitches, make a double crochet 7 together again. 1, 2, and 7. Yarn over and pull through. And chain 1. Then slip stitch into the side and slip stitch into the base. Then do the 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. Do the double crochet 7 together stitch, followed by the 3 single crochet stitches, followed by the 7 decrease stitch again. At the end, chain 1. Slip stitch and slip stitch. Then, make 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 5 is just like row 1. Start off with 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, followed by 7 double crochet stitches all in the center of the previous decrease stitch. And 7. Then do the 3 single crochet stitches on top of the previous row's single crochet stitches. Continue this across the row. At the end, you'll place 4 double crochet stitches all in that last stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you wish, switch to the next color for row 6. Chain 1 and turn. For all other rows, just repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's how I do the Catherine's Wheel crochet stitch pattern.